Posoyo. Posoyo. This is used to say so in Korean, as in the past tense of see. Again, posoyo means so. Next word is 해봐. Again, it's 해봐. And it is used to say try to do it or let me see you do it. Again, 해봐 is used to say show me how you do it or try to do it. Next word is 의사. Again, it's 의사. And this is a noun which means doctor. Again, 의사 means doctor. Next word is 약속해. Again, it's 약속해. And this is used to say promise me or I promise. Again, 약속해 means promise me. Next word is 닥쳐, and it is used to say shut up. But be careful on using this because it would always sound rude to say 닥쳐. Just know that 닥쳐 means to shut up. Next word is 생일. Again, it's 생일. And it is a noun which means birthday. Again, 생일 means birthday. Next word is 부터. Again, it's 부터. This is a preposition, and this is used to say from this time or from a certain place. Again, 부터 is from. Next word is 월요일. Again, it's 월요일, and it pertains to Monday, which is a day in a week. Again, 월요일 is Monday. Next word is 반친구. Again, it's 반친구. It literally means half friend, but this is used to say classmate in Korean. Again, 반친구 is used to say classmate. Next word is 감자. Again, it's 감자. This is a noun which means potato. Again, 감자 means potato.